You think that pigeon staring at you is just chilling? Nope. It's probably scanning your Wi-Fi and uploading your search history to the government cloud. Why do birds always sit on power lines? Charging their batteries, obviously. I mean, think about it. When's the last time you saw a baby pigeon? You can't. Because they're delivered pre-assembled from the factory. And that cooing sound they make. Oh, that's not for us. It's encrypted government signals being transmitted to HQ. These birds are spies, people. They're not flying, they're gathering data. So next time you see a bird, ask yourself, who's watching who? Stay woke, my friends. Birds aren't real, or are they?